In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Remitly transaction. So let's get started. First, open the app. Tap on this home icon and on the home page you can see your transaction. All you need to do is just click Details and scroll all the way down. And here you can see there's an option for cancel transfer. If you send your money like 5 minutes ago, you can easily cancel your transfer and you will get your money. Also, if Remitly receive your money, you can cancel the transfer. But if recipient's bank receive the money or his account, then you just need to contact the support of Remitly and they will give you more information how can you cancel the transfer. So just click cancel transfer. And now just click cancel transfer again. The receiver information is correct. You just need to give them the reason. Click submit. And your cancellation will be in progress. After 3 business days, you will get your money back, and that's it. This is how can you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to support this channel, subscribe to the channel, and see you later.